James Kaufman, World News Report today, January 3rd, 2022 a.m. Central here in the USA. God bless you and yours, no matter where you are in the world, folks. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, ring that bell for critical future updates. Ladies and gentlemen, we've been in a geomagnetic storm, KP Index 4, for the last 3 hours. And we have increased solar winds from one of the coronal holes that was Earth-facing, along with density hitting us. Neither have been forecasted. Over to Discovery, you can see all of the crossovers, all the solar weather we've actually been experiencing probably caused the 6.1 in Vanuatu. What are current conditions? Well, we just saw 620 kilometer per second solar winds, and we just saw 17.5 centimeters cubed. And it looks like we're all over the place today. 14, 6, 13, 8. Very, very strange. To drop down here to 2 and then to shoot up to 17.5. Very, very strange. Winds are starting to subside. It looks like temperatures aren't. We'll have to keep our eyes on that. But we are currently in a solar geomagnetic situation. And again, ladies and gentlemen, to the European Space Agency, I have no idea what could be causing this. It looks like they are trying to ramp up plasma to the 15 to 17 range, but that wasn't supposed to happen for a few days now. We should have no solar winds. We're seeing solar winds at 620 kilometers per second. I have no idea what could have created those solar winds, always created by a coronal hole that's Earth-facing. We really haven't had much of that. And you can see the European Space Agency's actual forecast. The blue line being now, we got nothing. And even when they had winds, they only went up to 425 kilometers per second. That's a 200 kilometer per second difference, which is very substantial. You can also see they are trying to raise plasma forecasts here, but ladies and gentlemen, we shouldn't be to where we are now for at least 2 days. So I guess your guess is as good as mine as usual. Let's take a look at the magnetosphere before we go. So ladies and gentlemen, here is our NOAA forecast. Looks like it goes from about 7 to about maybe 12 centimeters cubed throughout the day today. We're just getting started. And look where they nailed the solar winds at for the 3rd. At 250 kilometers per second, we're seeing 620 kilometers per second. What in the... This is what they forecasted. And this is real time what we ended up with for that forecast of 250 kilometer per second solar winds and no density. What could possibly be going on? This is starting to be not so funny and more scary than anything. Being that far off for the prediction is comical, but yet unexcusable. God bless you and yours, folks. Please share, please subscribe, and always remember that anything is possible in Bizarro world. Even this completely unforecasted space weather storm. I'm not going to call it a solar storm. Please share, please subscribe. Always remember, anything's possible in Bizarro world.